Hello kids, welcome to my another video. Today we will learn P, Q and R and count 16, 17 and 18. This is P. P for penguin or P for peacock. This is Q. Q for queen or Q for quail. This is R. R for rose and R for rainbow. This is green color. This is green color. This is brown color. This is brown color. This is orange color. This is orange color. This is blue color. This is blue color. This is red color. This is red color. And this is black color. This is black color. This is P. This is P. P for penguin. P for penguin or P for peacock. This is P. This is Q. This is Q. Q for queen or Q for quail. This is Q. This is R. This is R. R for rose. This is R. R for rose or R for rainbow. This is 16. This is 16. S-I-X 6-T-W-N 16. This is 16. This is 17. This is 17. S-E-V-E-N T-W-N 17. This is 17. This is 18. This is 18. E-I-G-H-T-W-N 18. This is 18. E-I-G-H-T-W-N 18. This is 18. This is P. P for penguin or P for peacock. This is Q. Q for queen or Q for quail. This is R. R for rose or R for rainbow. This is 16. This is 17. This is 18. Hello kids. Thank you for watching my video. Ta-ta.